A year ago, a game was made by someone who had hopes and dreams.
Letting us understand that being a hero doesn't always bring violence to the world.
Love your game, love you.
I laughed. I made friends with so many. I cared, I cried, and I found determination. We all love and thank you from the bottom of our hearts. There's always another soul that can be saved, and maybe, just maybe, they really can all be saved. Stay determined.
I loved all of the characters.
Without Undertale, I wouldn't be this happy and all that. Thanks for helping me find new friends, and thanks a skeletons for other amazing things.
And this person wanted to share these hopes and dreams with others.
This game has really changed my life in ways that I thought would never change.
Happiness, fun, and gaming.
It gave me the determination I needed to get through a hard part of my life.
And I'm so thankful.
Undertale has filled me with determination.
To encourage!
For making us better friends.
Because of Undertale, I can face the world and feel confident again. Thank you, Toby. You made a big difference in my life.
Hi.
To inspire.
So many.
Thank you for giving life to these characters that I really love.
Oh, to believe, darling.
Undertale has really changed my life. What a wonderful game! I can't believe it's already been 1 year. If it weren't for Undertale, I would have not made so many great friends. Thank you for making my day. I just wanted to say stay awesome and keep up the great work.
And everyone that this game touched wanted to give something back.
And thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Not sure if you'll ever see this, but thank you for everything. Stay determined, and remember, someone out there really cares about you.